Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 4. This is Section 3.6, Problem 4. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 2/5. So to write any fraction as a decimal, what you do is you write it as a division problem. So you put a division symbol, the numerator goes under the division symbol, and the denominator goes in front, like this. So you're going to divide 5 into 2. Now 2 is just not big enough to divide 5 into. So instead of 2, let's write it as 2.0, but we're going to treat it as a 20. That decimal where I put it in can come straight up. So 5 divides into 20. Actually, it goes in nicely. It goes in 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. We have a remainder of 0. So the decimal equivalent of 2/5 is 0.4. And you can write that as 0.4. Now, if you could use a calculator, you would enter the numerator first and the denominator and press equals. And the calculator would tell you also that it's 0.4 or 0.4.